Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a jailhouse burrito with ramen noodles. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 package of ramen noodles, a small bag of chips, and some processed meat like a beef stick or pepperoni. Also, grab a sturdy plastic bag, like a gallon-sized freezer bag, and a heat-safe bowl. Make sure you have access to hot water, about 1 cup, to cook your ramen. Now let's prepare the ramen. Without opening the package, crush the dry ramen noodles into small, bite-sized pieces. This makes them easier to mix and eat. Next, open the package and empty the crushed noodles and the seasoning packet into your heat-safe bowl. Carefully pour about 1 cup of hot water over the noodles, just enough to cover them. Cover the bowl and let it sit for approximately 3 minutes to soften. Once your ramen is soft, carefully drain any excess water from the bowl. You want the noodles to be moist but not soupy. Next, take your bag of chips and crush them thoroughly while still sealed, creating fine crumbs. Now, slice your meat snack into small pieces. Combine the drained ramen, the crushed chips, and the sliced meat into your sturdy plastic bag. Mix everything together well, ensuring all ingredients are evenly distributed. Finally, it's time to assemble your burrito. Press the mixture firmly together inside the plastic bag, shaping it into a compact burrito-like log. You can use a tortilla if available, or even the inside of a large chip bag to wrap your creation tightly. This helps hold everything together. Enjoy your unique and resourceful meal. For other great deals and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.